Nyaribo kendo osebedo kakwalo transformer.
MCAs e kaunti ma Nyamira kwayo gavana e kaontino Amos Nyaribo mondo obed tenge kendo chiw thuolo ne nonro mar mibadhi mabendo kwako yedhe e kar thieth ma kaontino. Kane giloso e kaunti ma Nyamira, MCAs go oseyo gavana kuom nindo nyakonchiel e kedo kod mibadhi no bang' ka notengo lwete mogo madonjo jatend migawo mar thieth Timothy Ombaki koweyo apisa maduong' e migawo mar thieth Andrew Ongere ma iwacho ni osebedo kaka apisa mar omenda kode e migawo no. MCAs go wacho ni Ombati ne otigo godo kaka umo wang' e mibadhi mar silinge milionde modhuro ka ginywando gavana e mibadhi machal kamano. Gichiwo ndalo 11 mondo gavana Nyaribo ogwe tao.
Reports have indicated that His Excellency Governor Amos Nyaribo of Nyamira County has dismissed from office his CC member, Dr. Timothy Bosire. The dismissal is in connection to the flagging off of drugs and medical supplies by His Excellency Governor Amos Nyaribo in an exercise carried out on the 11th July 2023 at the Nyamira County headquarters. It appears that Dr. Mbati is becoming an easy target and a scapegoat for the fraudulent launch in which His Excellency Governor Nyaribo personally officiated. On top of the action taken on Dr. Ombati, similar steps should be taken on Chief Officer for Primary Healthcare, Mr. Andrew Ongere, who is the accounting officer for the Health Services Department, Nyamira County.
All which was done in the eyes of the governor. He is the one who launched the empty boxes and now turning the sword to one of his own or one of his making. So we also want to ask kindly and patiently our Excellency the Governor, step aside as you also give leeway to also come out clear that you're not part of the shivering of the medicine in our county hospitals.